Now students, under job offer, this is supposed to be the main point that comes under job offer. The next step in the selection process. Student, the next step in the selection process is job offer to those applicants who have passed all the previous hurdles. Right students, उनको जॉब दे दी जाएगी जिन्होंने सारे स्टेप को पास आउट कर दिया गया है. Job offer is made through a letter of appointment which contains the date by which he or she must report on the duty. The appointee must give in a reasonable time for reporting. Right students, so under job offer the appointment letter has been made, right students, and ask the candidate to join on the particular date. Right students, those candidates who have selected, to finalize who are selected हुआ है. Now come to the last one. This is supposed to be the last step, that is known as contract of employment. Right students, contract of employment. What do you mean by the term contract of employment? After the job offer has been made, job offer दे दी गई है candidate को, and candidates accept the offer. Certain documents need to be executed by the employees and the candidates. One such document is attestation form. This form contains certain details about the candidate which are checked and attested by him or her. Right students, certain forms which has to be attested by the candidate. Right student, regarding qualifications हो सकती हैं, added qualification हो सकती है, added qualification हो सकती है, experience certificate होता है students. So various form has to be attested by the candidate. Right students, and then attestation form will be a valid record for future reference. Also, the written contract is prepared between the employer and the candidate. Right student, company और उस selected candidate के बीच में एक written contract भी तैयार होगा. That written contract is the evidence, is the full evidence कि वो candidate उस company का employee है. Right students, so this is known as contract of employment, which contains job titles, duties, place and hours of work, responsibilities, leave rules, termination procedure, probation period, etc. Right students, I hope this is very much clear to you. That comes under contract of employment. Right, so this is the steps which has been followed by the candidate while going for an interview or while applying for the company in the organization. Students, selection is called a negative process. Why? The candidates are required to take a series of employment test interview at every stage. Many are eliminated and a few move to the next stage until the right type is found. It is a negative process therefore. Right students, because each and every candidate has to be eliminated after each and every test. Right students, that first selection is called a negative process. So students, this is known as contract of employment. So under contract of employment, after the job offer has been made, the candidate accept the offer. Certain document need to be executed by the employees and the candidates. One such document is the attestation form. This form contains the certain details, students. Right students, certain details about the candidates which are attested by him or her. Attestation form will be a valid record for future reference. Also, a written contract of employment is prepared between the employer and the candidate. The contract of employment contains the job titles, students. It contains job titles, duties, place and hours, students, as responsibilities, remuneration, leave rules, disciplinary procedures, termination procedure, probation period, etc. Right students, and therefore students, it is called a negative process. Selection is called a negative process. After the contract of employment, the selection process is over, student. After the contract of employment, the selection process is over. Now students, why selection is called a negative process? Selection is also called a negative process because the candidates are required to take series of employment test and interview at every stage. Many are eliminated and a few move to the next stage until the right type is found. It is a negative process therefore. Right students, I hope it is very much clear to you. The very first is preliminary screening. Second is selection test. Under selection test, you have studied the 5 types of test, students: intelligence test, aptitude test, personality test, trait test and interest test. Third one is employment interview, students. Fourth is reference and background checks. Fifth is student selection decision. Sixth is medical examination. Seventh is job offer, job दे दी जाएगी candidates को, and the last one is contract of employment. Right students, I hope this is very much clear to you. You have to learn and write chain wise. Right students, and if you find any difficulty, you can ask me anytime. Learn the process chain wise, students. Thank you, students.